After learning construction management and the deep principles behind construction management, I've really put in some time into creating this Notion template. I like to call it a system, but it's a Notion template, and I've built this system that can help you with construction management to manage any of your construction projects. Okay, so my approach to construction, I like to look at construction from 7 different lenses. The first is the management of time, management of quality, management of cost, management of material, management of safety, management of people, and management of equipment. There are 7. I won't have them right here. You can see quality, time, cost, material, safety, people, equipment. So now, in order for you to deliver a project, if you can manage all these 3 aspects of the project, you are going to do well. Okay, if you manage quality, it means that your project, the integrity of your project is going to be very, very strong. Okay, no such thing as building collapsing or wall cracking or wall bending, okay, or anything happening like that, or your work losing its quality over time, its beauty, whatever. So you have to optimize for quality, you have to optimize for time, because everything has expected time for delivery. Okay, also when it comes to construction projects, when it comes to construction projects, timing too is very important, because timing also affects cost. When the price of materials are going up every single day, you have to deliver a project on time. Okay, timing too can also affect business. If the project now is something that wants to be sold or something that want to use for some kind of business venture, delay is also going to delay them to when they will reach their profits. Cost is another part you have to also manage. Okay, you are paying for things like transportation, fuel, paperwork. If it's a very big project, you are paying for manpower. So cost, now you're paying for manpower, you're paying for professional skills, you're paying for building plans the architect are going to draw, you're going to pay for supervision, you pay for a civil engineer to do his design, you pay for a builder to come and help you manage a particular process, you pay. You also pay for materials too. So when it comes to materials, so like 50% of your cost is material. In fact, materials too is also part of cost, but materials have to be separated, because materials can affect quality. So when you're looking to manage materials, you're looking to manage the quality of the material, because a building or a project or a structure itself is a material made up of materials. Okay, so now you need to manage it in terms of managing the quality of that material, because it will also affect the quality of the quality that's going to come out when you put those materials together to form the quality of the structure itself. The structure itself has a quality. Each of the materials also have a quality, and you also have to manage waste and theft. Okay, because waste is going to affect cost, theft is also going to affect cost, bad material is going to affect quality. Okay, and when it affects quality so bad, so bad, there's what they call rework when you redo a project. So sometimes now, if they are